Come up, my brothers! Hey, what's up, fam? Today we're going to be creating a groovy ass UKG drop. And of course, we always got to start with the drums. So I'm starting off with the kick, gonna go for something a little old school, and I'm also gonna shorten it because, as we know, the good thing about long kicks is you can take all of it if you need to, but if just the tip is good enough, then just the tip is good enough. Time to bring in the open hat. I'm gonna be using this one. Fade out. A little cleaning up. Perfect. I think I'm gonna be using the bullet tooth set here, man. Like, little velocity changes, the little things in life that matter. I feel like the clap needs a bit more pushing. Like, I want to flatten it, so I'm gonna clip it. Clipping saturation is a volume-based effect. So if I lower the sustain, this hits the tip of it, just then the tail of it isn't hit as hard. Time to get the snare in there, so I'm gonna start off with the first one. You can mono a drum using utility. Now, usually if a drum is wide, that means that there must be some form of width altering technique on it. So usually I'm a little careful and I will collapse either left or right, omitting the opposite side. Oh, yeah. Need that tambourine loop. Spice things up a bit more. Gluing the drums, super easy. Glue compressor 30 to 0.2 or 0.1. Having that needle move. Now let's get a chord stab, because I feel if we get a really sick chord stab going, then we're gonna be able to create like a really cool beat. I like this one, let's go. Make sure to add the swing so that we get that flavor, so we can be robotic with the programming. Ableton will do the rest for us. Kind of want that open hat to ring out a little more, and it's okay if, you know, like you're making something and you make a decision that you want to retract on. Still looking for a little bit more hit on that kick. So I'm gonna add a compressor, very fast attack, like 30 milliseconds, fast release. With this, you gotta be careful with it so you overdo it. When you master the track, the kick's really gonna be like boo, boo, popping out a lot. Now it's time to work on the bass, which is really gonna bring the song to life, and then we're gonna put a vocal as well. Oh yeah, let's figure out the rhythm we're gonna make. A lot of the times the chord stab can give us as well some pointers and clues on where to take the bass. So why don't we try doing that? The thing is, we need to fill in these gaps, because if we don't fill them in, the bass isn't really gonna be providing the groove for people to dance, or for me to work out at the gym or run hauling ass. Gonna play with the length of the notes, super important. Let's also do some octave jumps and some glides. This is where two notes overlap, and then when you're using Serum 2, at the bottom right, you're gonna have this porta mono legato here that you can increase. For example, on this bass, I'm gonna put it really high up, and then when we overlap. I like the idea because it's kind of like doom, 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 and it leads you into the. I really want this track to be fubby, so what I'm gonna do is actually add the pull tech EQ, where you boost the low end at around 60. It's gonna provide a low shelf, which is gonna look like this if you want to do it with Ableton. And put this at 60, bring this up like so, and then it's gonna attenuate, which just means remove at around the same point down like this, giving you a response on the bass like this. I really want the stab to have that mids boost somewhere here. Gonna add a little bit of a short fill here to just fill it out. EQ 8.
Here it comes.
Another thing I'm gonna do is add a limiter to this bass because it's moving a lot, and I want that bass to be flat as There's a cool preset that we can use, bass limiter.
Hey girl, we got a party to go to tonight.
Gonna make it a little loud too, just to feel the energy. Let me show you guys a secret thing that not many people know about Ableton. Can use simpler and drag this vocal, which I'm loving, and slice it up. Now this should give us like a good kind of medium of syllables, you know, all that good stuff. But the thing I like to do is slice manually, so that way you can go in and double click up here and slice it to your liking. So for example, we can start here.
Hey girl, we got a party to go to tonight.
Now we can set it to gate.
Hey girl.
So that way when I press a note,
Hey girl. Hey.
gives us that. So now what you want to do is you want to slice up parts like, you know, normal people would be like an MPC, a sampler.
Hey, we got a party.
I want, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, girl.
Hey girl.
We got a party to go to tonight. Now, since the length of the MIDI note controls how long it plays for, let's do hey girl, girl. Let's get really groovy with it.
Hey girl, party to go to tonight.
Party, party, and then I'm gonna cut it.
Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey party. We got a party to go to tonight.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna call it a day because my family is calling me. Hopefully you guys didn't hear the crying baby. I'm a family man that loves to share everything that I learned from hearing some of the best in the space, old and new. If you guys enjoyed this video, a lot of the sounds in this pack are coming from Omen, a UKG pack that I made for you guys. Studied it. This is the UKG Bible, I say, because all my notes. If you guys want to continue your knowledge forward, consider watching this video here. It builds on what you've learned here and adds a little bit more to your repertoire.